Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. And I'm ready for the Madkeri trip. So time is around 10:30. So the temperature is pretty high because it's already hot. Everything is packed. All my saddle bag, followed by my knee guard, shoes, tank bag, and jacket. Everything is packed. So I'll be leaving now. Probably I'll be reaching there within 3 hours or 4 hours. I don't know. Google time says it's 4 hours 15 minutes. What time I'm going to take, I don't know. I'll be going literally slow because it's too hot. So I'll try to go slowly itself and reach the destination as soon as possible. So we'll be staying there for 2 days, probably 3 days, 2 nights and 3 days. And I'll be coming back on Sunday. See you on the GoPro mode. Okay guys, right now I'm leaving. It's really hot. I'm locking the doors. I'm leaving right now. Everything is set. And this is how my Himalayan looks. So let's start the ride. Before that, I'll check whether my GoPro is working properly or not. Everything is set and now I'm leaving. Time is 10:52. I've made the odometer 0. So right now it's 4269.9. I've left the house. Let's check how many kilometers we're gonna do. Everything is going according to the plan, but only thing is it's getting really delayed. It's 10:52 already, so I have to go via Konigal. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Do support me because I'll be doing a lot of things like this. This is the first ever ride, long ride, and this will be a solo ride as well. Man, no indicators. I'll be reaching highway within 5 or 10 minutes, probably. I just entered Kunigal now and there is an accident here. I don't know what is that, but I think so. It has happened 10 or 15 minutes ago. It's an accident. I shall have to check what is the accident or anything happened. Let me check whether everybody is safe or not. Oh my god. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಾಸ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನು ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯೋನಾ? ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯೋಗಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಟ್ರಾ? ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? Okay. Fine. Nobody's hurt out there. And everything is all fine. The only concern is I just saw a lady got hurt. That's it. So that is not a major issue. And right now I'm at Kunigal. I've just entered Kunigal and I'll have some breakfast here. It is already... Sorry, it's not breakfast. It's a brunch. It is already 11:40. I'll have some small snacks or something like that. Oh man, you can see Java. People are going here. Let's hope for the best. Let's have a safe journey, guys. So, and this is Kunigal's lake. Look at that. Look at that, man. That is Kunigal's lake. Within 5 minutes I'll be reaching the highway. I have better amount of fuel, but I need to get the fuel done. The highway which is there, that will be leading us to Hassan, I think so, but I'll stop and I'll check in my Google Maps. My bike fueled up. I think it's not showing. It'll literally pick up. It's now full tank, no problem now. While I was getting my fueled up, what happened, you know? The baddest thing was my GoPro just fell down. One which I'm gonna place just got broke, and luckily I had one more, so the extra pair was there, so I did not have any issue. So I fixed it and I'm placing it. I just placed it. So I should be really careful because no accessories will be available all over the places wherever I go, because I have to go to Bangalore only I get it, or else I have to book it online. There is no other place where I can get these things. I have just covered 65 kilometers. That's it. It's 12:30 already. It's getting late for me, but I'm trying my level best to go as fast as possible. Oh, there's some function going on, so that's the reason they're walking all over. So I shall have to check which way to go now, because this is the only toll I'll get it before this Nagmangla, before I enter Nagmangla cross. Give me a second. By the way, the petrol I filled up now was 800 rupees. Man. Recording? Yes. So now the tank is showing full, and battery in my GoPro is just 24%. I have one more battery which is getting charged from that time. So Google timing is just saying it's 3 hours 70 minutes for 160 kilometers, and I have already finished 69.5 kilometers and time is 12:38. Temperature is 40 degrees. My bike is just showing 40 degrees temperature. I have to cross somewhere here, so that's the reason I've taken Google Maps. So stay on NH75 for 38 kilometers, then I have to take left. So that is what Google Maps is just saying. This is BGS College of Education, the Ajit Chinchindiri University. It has become university. Oh my god. And I just reached the second toll plaza as of now, and it's I don't know which place I'm into. This is Devihalli to Hassan tollway. I just reached Chandraipatna as of now. Man, riding is really good, but it's pretty hot, feeling pretty hot, that's it. Other than that, the pace is really good. There's no brakes, only single brake I have taken only for the petrol. Yes, they have mentioned welcome to Chandraipatna city. From that point, this point, Shave Bengaluru Kunikal. Man, look at that. Meenu Mane. That was really good. Just look at this, man. Ooh. On the way to Madikeri. Place is literally awesome, but I can't get down because I have lots of luggage here. So while coming back, I'll try to get down there. I just missed a road, so that's the reason I got that. I have just reached Holenarsipura as of now, and still I have 98 kilometers to go. It's typical single highway, so that's the reason it is taking a lot of time to reach the destination. Okay, Google Madam Ji, please wait. I'll take the right. Again, it's a single highway. That is a problem. Yes, that was a dam, I believe. Look at that. What is windmill? Ooh, man. Fishing. Everything is there here. But this cameras, you'll not be able to see many things. You have to witness it through your naked eye. It's showing me 2 hours 3 minutes now to reach the destination. Temperature is 41 degrees Celsius and still 91 kilometers to go. I just stopped in order to the stupid GoPro again just gave me a pretty good problem, that is it was not switching on. I had to remove the battery and had to place it back. So now it's working all fine. The time is now 2 o'clock and I've reached Arkal Gudu, and Google Madam ji brought to this spot. She is getting me somewhere else and all. I don't know whether it's correct or not, but according to the map it's showing exactly right. Now she is telling to continue till Kushal Nagar on this same kind of a road. 68 kilometers still left. I have to go in this road for 12 kilometers, then I have to take right. I think so that will be again the same road. My god, they're cutting trees here. I don't know for what purpose. I don't know what tree is this. Oh god, they're cutting all kind of trees, man. Improvement. And this, so it'll take something around 1 hour to reach the destination approximately, but the roads are really bad. I just reached Kushal Nagar and I'm taking National Highway 275. I can't wait more here, and I just want to have my lunch at any cost. Yeah, which okay, Atithi. I've got some restaurant here where I can place my vehicle and I can see my luggage as well. So we'll have something here, some light food. Just reached Kushal Nagar, and as I just told you, I'm inside Atithi Hotel, Atithi Comforts. Right now, this is the way of food they're serving to me. I've ordered full meals. The taste is good. It'll take 15 or 20 minutes to reach Madikeri itself. I'm waiting for the location to be sent by one of my friend. Man, it's 43 degrees and my phone's battery is even low. The food which was fed here was on an average, but the buttermilk was, man, out of the world. I would just rate it 10 out of 10. I just got the location from the person whom just called, and that is where I've booked my homestay. Where is this hotel even located? This just looks like a forest. Oh my god, all those tar, it's on my vehicle. I'll go. Man, without maps it's highly impossible to find this out. Thank you for someone who has found out Google Maps. This is the way I have to go to the backwaters homestay, Sarayu Backwaters Homestay, Coorg. So first day I'll be staying in the room itself. Second day I'm shifting to tents. I'm just calling him. Right now I just reached the destination and I'm at this resort called Sarayu Backwater Homestay. That is really awesome. Guys, this is how the room tour is. I'm going to take you to the room. So this is the room. So beds, 4 people can accommodate. Sorry for the mess, because you know how riders will all keep their rooms. And room is too cold. It's really nice. I'm really happy to have this kind of homestay. Outside view is marvelous. Amazing. Just check this out. This is the washroom. I'll have to show you the backwaters of this resort. So I'll show you in 3, 2, 1. And those are the backwaters. Superb, right? This is the first time I'm coming to Madikeri, so I'm really enjoying. This is the room, and that is the backwaters. Once you get up in the morning and you see that, that will be a beautiful day. That is a beautiful start of the day. I just love this kind of places. There is a place to play shuttle, and there are some more places here, and they just charged me 1,800 rupees per day per person. That is including all the 3 meals, followed by some snacks in between, I believe. But the third day is complimentary. If I get time, I'll try to go there and have some photo shoot of some birds if it is available. Later on, I'll go there, but not now. So as of now, I'll take some rest and we'll head back to some places. I have spoken to the person who's there, and he'll be guiding me towards some different places. I just stayed here for half an hour, and what we'll do is we'll go out somewhere else and we'll explore some things. So this is Kaveri Nisargadama. I'm getting inside Kaveri Nisargadama, so I don't know what all I will get here. We'll stop Google, Madam Ji, or else she'll make a mess. So this is how we have to go to Nisargadama. That's fantastic. So 2-wheelers 10, parking charges are there, boating fees 100, 2-seaters. Okay, we have got many things here. Okay, let's enjoy. So I've just entered Nisargadama. This is the place. Okay, I'll focus them. They just got subscribed right now. So many people are here. They are you're from which place? Mangalore. You come from Bangalore itself.
Mangalore.
Okay. Basically Mangalore.
Yes.
Okay, nice. And they're really enthusiastic. They went somewhere there.
Yeah.
They saw something and they came back. What you saw there? That's it. Okay. Nice meeting you. Keep watching watching. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. I'll place it on the vlog. Do check. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Photo. Sure. They subscribed to my channel just now directly without any word, and that was the happiest moment. Guys, I'm getting out of the lake right now, and Nisargadama right now, and this is how it looks. This is how we enter, basically. Beautiful, isn't it? We have boating as well here, but I'm not interested in boating, and also I'm not going there. So let's take a pic. It is looking so good. Let's try to take a pic. After having a long, tiring day, so I just reached my room. Now there's a campfire as well. They have made some chapati curry followed by some chicken and some rice and sambar. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. I just got some toiletries and socks and all for tomorrow's exploration, because I did not bring a lot of things. So I just got all those things. The weather in Coorg is awesome. It's not super chilly, it's not super hot, it's pleasant. Weather is really, really pleasant. I just love the weather of Coorg. Once when we start the campfire, we'll start vlog. So guys, I'm in a campfire. I'm just enjoying this. This is lovely, and I'm getting too relaxed after having a lot of work pressure, and I'm literally enjoying this. Just look at this, man. Campfire with a chilly weather. Campfire with chill weather. Like, I've just ordered onion pakoda. Just love to have something with the chill weather as well. Marvelous. Place is marvelous. Just enjoying.